In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with TurboTax for your business tax filing. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to turbotaxedintuit.com. Using Chrome can help ensure the site loads smoothly and that all the interactive tools work properly during the process. Once the website opens, take a moment to make sure you're on the official TurboTax page before moving forward. Next, choose the TurboTax product that matches your business type. If you're a sole proprietor, select TurboTax Premium. This option is generally designed for individuals reporting business income as part of their personal tax return. If your business is structured as an S Corp, a C Corp, or a multi-member LLC, choose TurboTax Business instead. Picking the correct version is important because each product is set up to guide you through the tax rules and filing requirements that apply to that type of business entity. If you're unsure which category your business falls into, it's a good idea to pause and confirm your legal structure before continuing. After selecting the right product, create an account or log into your existing one. If you're new to TurboTax, you'll be prompted to set up your account and follow the sign-up process. If you already have an account, simply sign in and continue from there. As you do this, be sure to keep your login information secure and avoid sharing any private details. Once you're signed in, you'll be able to access the tools needed to begin your return. From there, follow the guided interview provided by TurboTax. This is where the platform walks you step by step through the information it needs for your business tax filing. You'll enter your revenues first, which refers to the money your business brought in during the year. After that, record your cost of goods sold if it applies to your business. This typically includes direct costs tied to producing or purchasing the products you sell. Then, enter your operating assets, which may include business property or equipment used to run the business. As you move through the interview, take your time and enter each detail carefully. Having your records organized in advance can make this process much easier and help reduce mistakes. Review each section before continuing so the information is complete and accurate. Once everything has been entered, you'll be in a strong position to continue through the rest of the filing process inside TurboTax.